Hey everybody, this is Mark with AtTech, and in this video we're going to be checking out this all-in-one wireless charger for your iPhone and your Apple Watch. This is from Mangotek. It's around $70, so it's a little expensive for a charger, but it is pretty good, probably as good as you're going to get until AirPower comes out. Who knows when that's actually going to happen. This is actually a pretty cool unit. You place your Apple Watch on the top and it will start charging that. It also has a Qi wireless charger for your iPhone 8, 10, and 10s. There's even a USB port on the back so you can charge any other device. So this is pretty cool. Let's check it out and see if this is worth getting. So inside the box, we've got our charger, some instructions, and that is about it. Got lots of foam here. And we also get a box of other stuff. We'll take a look at that in a second. So here is the charger. I believe it only comes in one color, but it is kind of a little bit of a matte black gray to go space gray for your Apple Watch maybe. And then we got some stainless steel right here. It matches very well with the stainless steel Apple Watch. Got a little bit of plastic right there. And right here we got our nice base for your phone. It does say Mangotek, but it does have a little nice logo right there, so you know it's wirelessly charging. The bottom has a kind of sticky mat, so it won't slide around much. This does feel somewhat like plastic, but it does look like aluminum. But the metal around is all stainless steel, and it looks very nice. On the back, we got a USB port to charge our device, as well as a DC in, which is actually pretty cool because this means that the Apple Watch charger and the iPhone charger are all powered through this one thing. You don't need to supply your own Apple Watch puck. It's already built in and it's going to work off of just one cable, which is pretty nice. We did check out another thing a little while ago. You can check that right up there where you had to supply your own cables. It's a very neat product, but it's a little bit messy. This is nice because it all comes with one cable. We got our instructions, pretty much just says plug it in. And then right here, we've probably got our accessories, which includes, well, just your charger. So there we go. We got our DC cable. This is a very small, skinny barrel connector. And then a pretty chunky power brick. But I guess that's not a big issue. So here it is. It's actually pretty cool. You just take your Apple Watch, and because this is elevated, if you have a fixed loop like this one, it'll work fine with no issues. So we just kind of plop that right on. And there you go. It is strong enough with magnets to hold it in place, which is very cool. And then, well, you can just drop down the iPhone and then it will start charging right away. So let's go ahead, plug this in and see how it works. So we just plug this right in right here. So that's very nice. It does go in pretty deep, so it looks pretty nice. We do have a blue light on the side when it is on. So let's see, we will just take our iPhone, drop that down on there. There you go, starts charging right away. And then we will take our Apple Watch right here and we will go ahead, put that on. And then there you go, now the Apple Watch is charging as well. And we do have space right back here for another USB connector, so you can, you know, throw in another device if you want to charge that as well. The Qi wireless charging for the iPhone is 10 watts, which is pretty much all the iPhone 10 can actually take. So you're not going to be charging at the fastest speeds possible, but you are going to be maxing out the capabilities of the iPhone, which is good. You're not going to be stuck with a 5 watt, which is what the iPhone still comes with in the box, which is kind of weird. And then the Apple Watch charger will charge up the watch pretty much at full speed as well. So you don't have to worry about anything limiting the speed, which is why you got your pretty chunky power brick, but it does work pretty good. All of these are MFI or made for iPhone, so they're Apple certified. You're gonna know it's gonna work good. It's a certified accessory, which is pretty nice. It is a pretty compact and elegant solution. It looks very nice. The silver and stainless steel matches very well with the Apple Watch and the iPhone if you have those colors. It's built fairly nicely. It looks great. And it's a great option for something like a desk or maybe a nightstand. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but it's highly functional. And the addition of the USB port is nice. So if you have something else you want to charge or just another cable that you need to plug in, it's pretty nice as well. You can charge 2 iPhones and an Apple Watch at the same time. And for the most part, it works as it should. There's really no complaints at all, other than the fact that maybe your band is going to hang down in the way. But that's really not a major concern. And overall, it's a really cool device. I like it a lot, and I highly recommend you check it out. I'll leave a link to it down in the description below if you want to pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions about this, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AtTech, and I'll see you in the next one.